Good morning, guys. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, he had a mouthful of food, but I'm with Moo. Right now, he's been laying on my leg, helping with some hip pain. But I've been watching a lot of these videos, Pain Day Flair kits. I want to show you mine. Now, this was a more recent idea of mine, so we wanted to see, generally what would be in it. Pooch. My puppy. You good boy? Huh? I love my damn dog. He's such a movie. Such a movie. You might notice one ball earring, one heart. Well, those are two hearts, but whatever. Oh. Poochies. Anyway. Always keep a snack. These are buggos. No, they're not gluten-free, but they're made with corn. So, there's that. Obviously, all my chargers, my phone, headset, soundbot are all over here. The other thing I have, get it, a big thing of water. Because Gatorade. And apple cider vinegar. Delicious. So, big thing of water. Ooh. Now, I also have a drawer over here. I also have the controller to my bed. There's a drawer over here, and I keep a Diet Coke in it. On happens that I'm in pain and I can't, move or do anything. I never learned to take my medication with water. I learned to take it with carbonated stuff. So, Diet Coke or anything carbonated has really been my go-to, or my, quick rinse, if you will. So, there's that. Obviously, a box of tissues. Because pain comes a lot of tears, especially with me. And he lost this thing, so he's been trying to fix it for a while. This is in between me and him right now. We're still trying to figure out the details. Who's my dog? My dog's so cute. Oh, Bug. I've been calling him Bug for some reason. I don't know why. A nightcap, because my hair is long. For new people, my hair is 32 inches long. Measured it last year, so I have no idea how long it is, but I sleep in a nightcap. So there it is. The other thing is bad blooper. Lutein. This helps my body relax. See, it even says promotes relaxation. So, this is a godsend. They expire this month, so just try to chill out. Pain-wise, I use Salon Pass patches. So, there's that. Another thing I use is BioFreeze. So, yeah. One thing he uses, because he's got bad sinuses, is Vicks Vapor Rub. He puts this right under his nose to open his sinuses. Seems like I need some. The other thing he uses, this is his godsend. Okay, this is sinus Tylenol Severe. Um, yeah. Okay. This is a leaf. Yeah. Everybody knows Aleve. And you guys, the other thing I wanted to say is, if you have a working animal, he is currently tasking right now, like actively tasking for me. Been helping with the pain quite a bit. I use his body heat and his weight to help me. Oh, the other thing is, there's a little storage compartment over here. Don't know if you guys can see that, but that's where all of this stays. So there's that. Now, I wear a little bit of mascara and whatnot. So I have these singles. They're Neutrogena singles. Because on the happen chance that I can't get up to wash my face or something, I like to have something to a way to be able to get it off. So, wipes. Okay. Now, this is sumotriptan. This is a migraine abortive. Now, it comes in stupid little blister packs. And when I'm in the middle of a migraine, I'm not going to fight with a blister pack to get it open to stop this migraine. Okay? So, there's that. You'll notice some of them are bigger than others in there. But that's because they're from two different manufacturers. The ones that they give me, I don't really have a say. Anybody who has pharmaceuticals will know that. This is Lyrica, 75 milligrams. This is my seizure medication and nerve pain medication. There's all that. This is meloxicam. I don't take this unless I really need to. He does better on it than I do. And this is supposed to be easier on your stomach and body parts like liver, kidneys, stomach, whatever. But meloxicam 15 milligrams once a day. I hate the way it makes me feel. But whatever. The other thing is, no. The other thing is, I have a heating pad. Woohoo! Come here, heating pad. That's my service dog. That's Mufasa. I might have a gear video, coming up for you guys. I don't ever hurt my puppies. I have 3 of them. Love them all. I have a cat. Love him. We originally thought Lynxar, my cat's name is Lynxar. We originally thought Lynxar was a girl. What was Lynxar's name before we got him?
Huh?
Wasn't it Zoe or something? Baby.
Huh?
What was Lynxar's name before we got him?
I think it was Zoe.
Yeah, I think it was Zoe. Because we had Zoe and Joey. Yeah, that sounds right. Yeah. Well, we went to go and get Zoe and Joey fixed, only to find out that they were both males. He does not have his boy bits. We still have him. Might be putting my cat up for adoption. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, that's a different video. But this is my heat pad. I keep it rolled up. This is one of the extra long ones. The only thing is, this has a 2-hour auto off. And it's by Sunbeam, I think. That's what it looks like. I don't know. It's one of those extra long heating bands. Anyway, that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been watching a lot of them lately. Yeah. I love you guys. I hope you guys are having a good day. Okay, bye.